Metro Airport Information Hotel, time 1745 Zulu, wind 070 at 4, visibility 10, 3000 scattered, temperature 22, check density, altitude 2.13, altimeter 3029er. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 12 left and 12 right. Notice airman, taxiway Romeo 1 is closed for construction. Hazardous weather information for portions of Colorado and the surrounding areas are available on flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact information hotel.
Metro Tower, Skyhawk 120 Echo, holding short 12 left to be far to the north.
Skyhawk 120 Echo, Metro Tower left turn out north approved, runway 12 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, turn to the north approved, 01 Echo.
Metro Tower, Roger 557 Delta Tango. We cleared for runway 12 right.
Archer 7 Delta Tango, runway 12 right, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option 12 right, 557 Delta Tango.
Pine Bluffs traffic, Skyhawk 120 Echo is about 13 miles to the south inbound. We'll be entering a right base, runway 8, Pine Bluffs.
Good traffic, 706 Juliet Mike, left downwind, 17, touch and go, is great.
Pine Bluffs traffic, Skyhawk 120 Echo, final runway 8, Pine Bluffs. Pine Bluffs traffic, Skyhawk 120 Echo on the go, runway 8. We'll be departing back to the west. Pine Bluffs traffic, Skyhawk 1201 Echo, left crosswind runway 8 Pine Bluffs. Metro Tower, Skyhawk 1201 Echo is 10 miles to the north over the boulder stacks, inbound, full stop with India.
Skyhawk 120 Echo, Metro Tower, make straight in, runway 12 left.
Straight in for 12 left, 01 Echo.
Cessna 6, Quebec, Golf, turn left at Bravo, contact ground, point 7, good day.
Left at Bravo, contact ground, 6 Quebec, Golf.
Skyhawk 1 Tango Hotel, runway 12 right, cleared for the option number 1.
Clear for the option 12 right, 1 Tango Hotel.
Skyhawk 01 Echo, runway spacing is good, wind 110 at 7.
Cessna 1201 Echo is going around.
Skyhawk 01 Echo, roger, make left close traffic, your discretion, runway 12 left.
Left close traffic, 12 left, 01 Echo.
Skyhawk 01 Echo, runway 12 left, clear to land, wind 09 or 0 at 7.
12 left, clear to land. Skyhawk 01 Echo.
Traffic.
Skyhawk 01 Echo, turn left, your discretion, contact ground, point 7, have a good day.
Left, to my discretion ground, 12.7, have a good afternoon. 01 Echo. Metro ground, Skyhawk 1201 Echo, off at Alpha 5, request taxi back to McAir.
This 120 Echo, Metro ground, taxi via Alpha, Bravo, Bravo 1, cross runway 3 and off.
Alpha, Bravo, Bravo 1, cross runway 3 on Alpha to McAir, 01 Echo.
Okay, shut down. Brake set throttle to 1000, verified VFR. Avionics off.